The Chutwakhu Sports Club emerged victorious in the thrilling final match of the second division football tournament, defeating the Muknor Thatmutlong Sports Club. The match took place yesterday at the Kiang Nangbah Stadium in Jawai. The tournament, named after late brother of South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shulai, titled the Debo Shulai Memorial Trophy, was organized by the West Jaintia District Sports Association. Luckiness Kriem of Chutwakhu was awarded the man of the match title for his outstanding performance. Lalmal Sami Taryang was named the best goalkeeper, while Chan Mitre Dakhar was named the top scorer.